Why are my Instagram direct messages not working? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can actually solve if your Instagram DM are not working, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you open up Instagram and then you're having issues with the DMs page and then you're not being able to DM anybody, maybe it just gets stuck on loading screen. Now if you want to solve that, what you can do is, first of all, if you're an Android user, long press the Instagram app icon, then tap the I button. That will take you to the app information page. If you're an iPhone user, I will tell you right away, you have to just uninstall and reinstall the app. Now for Android users, scroll down to storage. You can see two options, clear cache and clear data. So tap on clear cache and make sure to tap on clear data, then tap on delete. This will delete the data for the Instagram app, so you have to log in again. Now after you do that, just open up your Play Store or your App Store, check if the Instagram app has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version and hopefully it would fix the previous issues. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.